by using Rodrigues formula, let us determine the values of finding P1 of x, P2 of x, P3 of x and P4 of x. Also for x is equals to 1, 2 and 3. As we know that the Rodrigues formula will be Pn of x, which is equals to 1 divided by 2 to the power n into n factorial, nth order derivative of x square minus 1 to the power n. So here let us assume the value of n as 1 in the given equation. So we observe P1 of x value will be 1 divided by, in place of n, if we substitute the value as 1, therefore 1 divided by 2 into 1 factorial into d by dx of x square minus 1, because here we have taken n value as 1. As we know that the derivative of x square minus 1 will be 2x, therefore the value of P1 of x will be equals to x, which implies when x is 1, the value of P1 of 1 will be 1. When x is 2, the value of P1 of 2 will be 2. And when x is 3, the value of P1 of 3 will be equals to 3. So this is the procedure of determining sum of the values of P1 of 1, P1 of 2, P1 of 3 by considering n value as 1. Similarly, for n is equals to 2, we determine P2 of x. For determining P2 of x, put n is equals to 2 in equation 1. So we observe n value will be 2. In this case, we observe the second order derivative, and the second order derivative of x square minus 1 whole square will be, first when we consider the first order derivative, so it will be 2 into x square minus 1 into its inner derivative 2x, and the value of this will be 4x square, 4x cube minus of 4x. If we differentiate one more time, the value takes the value of 4 into 3x square minus of 4. This is the second order derivative. So therefore the second order derivative value will be 12x square minus of 4. If we consider 4 as the common factor, we determine P2 of x, and its value will be half into 3x square minus of 1. When we consider x value as 1, we observe its value will be equals to 1. Similarly, when x is equals to 2, the value will be equals to 11 divided by 2. For n is equals to 3, we discuss the case of determining the value of P3 of x, and its value will be 1 divided by 2 cube into 3 factorial d cube by dx cube of x square minus 1 to the power 3. Here n value will be considered as 3. So when we differentiate the function x square minus 1 to the power 3 for 3 times, we observe the value as x square minus of 1 into 10x plus 5x square minus 1 into 2 of x. On simplification, so we observe P3 of x value will be 4 by 8 into 5x cube minus of 3x. This is the value we observe for P3 of x, that is differentiating the function for x square minus 1 to the power 3 for 3 times. We observe the value as 4 by 8 into 5x cube minus of 3x. In this case, if we consider x value as 1, we observe its value will be equals to 1. X value as 2, we observe its value will be equals to 17. When x value will be 3, so we observe the value will be equals to 63. Similarly, we determine the value P4 of x. In this case, n value will be equals to 4, and the fourth order derivative value will be equals to 1 by 8 into 35x to the power 4 minus 30x square plus 3. Differentiate the function x square minus 1 to the power 4 times. We observe the value as 1 by 8 into 35x to the power 4 minus 30x square plus 3. Therefore, P4 of 1 value will be 1, P4 of 2 value will be 443 divided by 8, P4 of 3 value will be 321. So this is the method how we determine the Legendre, sum of the Legendre polynomial values by using Rodrigues formula. Now we observe the definition of generating function for Legendre polynomials. As we know that generating function, so the definition of generating function will be defined as the function 1 minus 2xz plus z square to the power minus 1 by 2 is called the generating function, or for Legendre polynomial function Pn of x. We observe the method of proving that 1 minus 2xz plus z square to the power minus 1 by 2 will be equals to summation over n is equals to 0 to infinity z to the power n into Pn of x. In this case, we observe modulus of x will be less than or equals to 1 and modulus of z will be less than 1. So this term we call as generating function, and the value of the generating function will be equals to n is equals to 0 to infinity z to the power n into Pn of x.